So the first thing we do is lay our cinder blocks down. The holes have to be up in the air. We are going to put these about 36 inches apart inside dimensions. And we're going to put the first one here. There we go. And then the second one, let's put about 3 feet away inside dimension. Again, holes up. It's about right there. That's pretty good. Let's check our measurement here. Let's go maybe an inch out more. There you go. That's 36 inches right there. Next thing we do, we take a couple of these posts, these 2x4s, and we stick them in the holes. There we go. And then here's one here. This side's kind of rotted, so I'm going to put this up in the air. And let's see. And that looks pretty good right there. Let's see, let's change that. Right here to about right here. And I'm going to spread those apart as far as I can spread them. And you're going to let them angle out just a little bit. Okay? We're going to do the same thing with these two right here. Again, we're going to spread these out just like this. And then I want to put those 7-foot 2x4 pieces down here on the lower level. Okay, what do we do here? You put one right here on the outside. Just push that in just a little bit so that's all flush. And then this one here as well. Let me get to the back one on this one. And then you put this toward the back as well, just about like that. And let's see, let's make sure it's even. Sticking out the back here, that's about 15 inches. And sticking out the back here, that's also about 15 inches. And these little sections here, these smaller sections can be used for smaller pieces. See that? Just like this. Got some starter wood here. So this is our lumber stacker we built for our new cinder block grill with the nice diamond plate hood cover, and it's about 4 feet tall. Between the blocks is about 36 inches, but then I used 8-foot lumber here, and it'll hold a lot of lumber. Just some scrappy old 2x4s. I only used 2 cinder blocks, which everybody has extra behind their house or garage or shed. And you know what? I can pack a lot of lumber, a lot of wood on this wood stacker right here, and this is going to last me a long time. And I've got a lot of nice wood for my grilling. Thanks for watching. Please share if you enjoyed this. And again, very inexpensive, and you can make this at your home. Take care.